This video is to show you how to download and install ClamXAV on your computer, as well as register it to your ClamXAV subscription. When you've purchased ClamXAV, you'll receive an email from mailer@fastspring.com. FastSpring is our payment processor. This email will include a download link, as well as an automatic registration key. After you download the installer for the ClamXAV app, open your Downloads folder in Finder. Locate the ClamXAV installer file and double-click. This will start the installation process. Your ClamXAV installer file may have different numbers, as these indicate the version number. You may be asked to enter a username and password during the installation process. This username and password are the ones you use to log into your computer. ClamXAV does not require an app-specific password. Once installation is complete, open the ClamXAV app. You can do this by visiting your Applications folder in Finder. Then, you can either follow the automatic registration link in your fulfillment email, or you can manually enter your ClamXAV registration key in the app. If you choose to manually enter the registration key, please open the ClamXAV app and select the Already Purchased button. Then, copy and paste your registration key from your fulfillment email into the field provided. Alternatively, if neither of the above methods work, you can copy and paste your order reference in the registration key field in the app. Should you continue to receive error messages when you try to activate ClamXAV, please contact us at support@clamxav.com.